I've got Raghav Chadha, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party with me. Raghav, you're all looking very bright and shiny today, big smiles on your faces. What is the kind of result you're expecting in terms of numbers?
Well, in terms of number, my own assessment is that 49 days must translate into at least 49 seats.
Okay.
And we're very hopeful. The exit polls are also pointing towards one direction.
Yeah.
And all of us are extremely confident of us, getting a clear, simple majority.
Okay, now you mentioned the 49 days, so it's very important to us. What has changed between then and now? Because we did see in the Lok Sabha elections after that 49-day government that all your candidates came second and you did not get a single parliamentary seat in Delhi. What's changed between then and now?
Well, that was a totally different election. That was the election for the Prime Ministership and forming a government at the centre. At that point, Aam Aadmi Party was not a visible option as far as forming the government at the centre is concerned. This time around, it's a race for attaining the office of the Chief Minister of Delhi.
Are you saying you jumped the gun in the parliamentary elections?
No, absolutely not. At that point, it was required for us to contest a number of seats in order to build our organization. I mean, it's not that every election that you fight is to win. You fight some to build your organization to a certain where your voter base is, where your organizational base can be there in the upcoming months and years. So that was the right move, I think. And at this point, I think the people of Delhi this time around have made up their mind to give a thumping majority to the Aam Aadmi Party and a government which will be run with integrity, honesty, uprightness and allegiance.
So if you are going to get that clear majority, what is the one thing that you would really say is the main factor that played to your favor?
Well, I think many factors. I think the sincerity of our volunteers, the honesty and the integrity with which every worker, every leader of our party has worked all these months. And I think the people of Delhi have also recognized that those 49 days, that trailer that we showed to the people of Delhi was absolutely beautiful, magnificent, and they realized what good governance is all about, from electricity to water to women's security to, autos to everything. We delivered on almost every promise that we made. And that's why people realize that these are a bunch of honest people, upright people who deliver what they say.
Okay, last question. Now, we heard Yogendra Yadav earlier in the day saying, or tweeting rather, that, someone's here to finally stop the juggernaut. So, if you are going to form the government in Delhi, what's next for national plans?
Well, I think one should wait for that. But certainly, it's for the Bharatiya Janata Party to, start thinking, because two things will happen for sure. One, the Modi juggernaut will stop and they'll find it difficult to restart it. Number two, that myth of invincibility that all the people in the BJP have started to build up on would go away.
All right, thanks very much for speaking with us, Raghav. Well, very clearly put there, the myth of invincibility of the BJP is about to be shattered today. Let's wait and see in a couple of hours if that's going to happen. But if it does, Arnab, it's going to change the face of national politics.